Okay, I'm going to start off by explaining the yellow Yorkies and green goats, which you'll be doing. So, on this page here, there is a second page stapled to it. You need to write those sentences correctly using the comma that goes in the date. Now, as you can see, this is split in half by a pencil. That means you really don't even need this part down here. So you can put an X through it. You will only need to do 4 sentences. So you need to rewrite the sentence using the correct date. Next, you guys will be cutting and gluing. We've done this activity before last week. Cutting and gluing the syllables. So this is a cupcake. So my first syllable is cup. Here is cup. I will cut this out and glue it here. Then cake. Cut out cake, glue it here, and then you're going to write the word next to it. Now, after you finish all of these, you need to go down here at the bottom. It says to read it and color the 2-syllable chunks different colors. So, you need to color cup one color, cake one color, and you can use your markers for this. Then, after you read this sentence, you need to draw a picture of the sentence. Now, lastly, you guys are just going to read the passage 3 times and then answer the questions. I'm trying to see if there's any words you may not know. This word is spring, sunny, window, watched, but we should know that one, flutter, inside, window once again. So this one says, list the 4 verbs from the story with ed endings. This one says, list 2 or more verbs that have ed endings. And this one says, where did Tip want to go? Now, for my red raccoons, the first thing you're going to do is pick a bag in the box. So there are 4 of you, so each one of you needs to get a different bag, and then y'all can switch. But you're going to turn this sheet over on the back and write the sentences in order. Remember, the first word's always going to be capitalized. The last one is always going to have an ending mark after, so I would start there. Next, you're going to cut out the pictures that are behind this sheet. And if it's 1 syllable, you put it here. 2, 3. You know how to do that. And then lastly, you're going to do this sheet. It says circle the date that is written correctly. So this one has too many commas, so I know that one's not correct. This one does not have a comma right here. That one is not correct. This one is in the correct spot, so I am going to circle this. Good luck.